Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam, Mr. Abdurrahman. How are you?
I am fine. And you, my brother?
Okay, everything is good?
Alhamdulillah, something is fine.
Okay,
B-
okay, good.
Better than before 2 days.
Okay,
Mm.
so did you have any problem?
Brother, light has cut.
Okay,
Light
one
had
day
cut
it was
before two
about the
days.
one day, you from continuously you are absent from 3 days.
Yes, brother. But uh, there is. I live in village, but transfer was fire.
Okay, so it took 3 days to prepare.
Prepare. As you know that Nepal is a poor country, but server is very poor condition.
No, we can't say Nepal is a poor country. Nepal is a very good and developed country. Yes,
But
they are doing great. The in Nepal, Gen Z has power.
yes, yes.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also fine, good, fantastic. So, how is your health? You told there is some infection in your eyes.
Yes, I think better.
So, how it happened?
I think herpes virus
Okay.
in doctor says herpes.
Okay. So there was some blood also. So what was that?
Yes, yes. I this time better than today is
Okay.
better.
Okay. Now you are feeling well.
Yes.
Okay. So after 3 days, join the class. Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman. So you are just skipping the classes more in the class.
No, brother. Now, now I am attending class regular.
Okay, you always say like this.
But
This is
uh,
not your first time you are
I
saying
tell
like I'm
you
going to
always
attend the class every day.
mm, every day. But I try to attend class every day, but actually there is some problem of this. Because of this, I could not attend class in
Okay,
3 days.
yes. In life, we are
Mm.
getting lots of problems, so we have to just
Yes, yes,
be
brother.
in
Yes,
that
yes.
situation. Okay, so hello, assalamu alaikum, good evening,
Mm.
Iram Khan. How are you?
Hello, Walaikum Assalam. Yes, sir, I'm good. What about you?
Yes, I'm also fine, good.
How was your week off?
Yes, it was amazing. I enjoyed a lot.
Oh, great.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, Madiha
Assalamu
Chaudhary.
alaikum.
How are you? Walaikum salam.
Fine. And
Yes,
you?
yes, I'm also fine. So, can I know the reason why you are late 5 minutes for 5 minutes, Iram Khan and Madiha Chaudhary?
I'll record the topic to sending you.
Okay, so you are recording your voice recording on the class timing.
No, कॉलेज से थोड़ा आई थी और फिर स्कूल चली गई थी, थोड़ा लेट हो गया था, तो सो गई थी, तो अभी उठी तो फिर काम करके फिर आपको भेजी मैंने ऐसा।
Yes, this is another part. Like we have 24 hours. रात में 12 बजे से लेकर के आज रात में 12 बजे तक सेंड करना है. So you don't give the excuse like I was recording the voice recording. Okay, you have to be on time like 9:30. Yes, Iram Khan, can I know the reason why
Okay,
you are
sorry.
late 4 minutes?
Sir, I thought there is no class because today is our test. So I thought,
Okay, so today's test, I'm
sorry.
going to explain, I'm going to demonstrate everything here. Then you can
Okay,
start your
okay.
test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Now
because I have to
understand.
show, like if you are new, you don't know anything. So I have to show first how you have to give the test. I will show you here everything. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I think Iram Rizvi is not there. And why it happened? Let me check. And the recording you have to send in the group always. So I want to ask one thing to Miss Madiha. So have you listened to anyone's recording in the group?
Yes.
Whose recording you listen?
Iram Rizvi
Hmm.
and Hamdan.
Okay. So you have listened these two students recording. So always we have to listen. So yes. So you are not going to ask one question like what should I record? If you are going to
आइडिया नहीं
listen.
था मुझे, इसलिए मैंने पूछी थी.
आइडिया के लिए ही तो मुझे दूसरे को सुनना है. Because there are 8 to 9 students, they are going to send the recording. So if you are going to listen, so you will get the idea. Okay. So Mr. Hamdan is recording on this topic, Iram Rizvi is recording on this topic, and I am sending in this topic, and Iram Khan is recording on this topic. So you will get the lots of idea to record your voice. Okay. And one more thing, you have to always send the recording in the group. So others can also listen it and they can admire and they can also get some knowledge from it. Okay. Because I am not going to only listen it individually. Everyone can listen in the group. Okay. So Mr. Hamdan, okay. Mr. Abdur Rahman is there after 3 days. So let me just tell you, like we have started one activity. I think you are aware about it, but now this is very strict. Okay, let me share the screen first, then tell you. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, in the group, here is the link. It is visible? It is visible for everyone or not? Please tell.
Yes, visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So yes, just see everyone.
Just
Okay.
see everyone.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Abdur Rahman, it is visible for you or not?
Abdurrahman, it is visible for you or not?
Sir, I am looking there.
There.
Yes.
Yes.
I am looking.
Brother.
Okay. Okay. Done. So I have created this sheet and I have.
This sheet and I have.
So please just mute the mic.
Just mute the mic.
I'm getting the voice back. Why it is happening? Okay, now let's see. It is visible now?
Yes.
Yes, brother.
Okay, so like we are here to improve our English. So how we are going to improve? Through listening and speaking. Okay, so this is a sheet which I have created and I am going to track everyone's activity. Okay, so as you can see, Mr. Abdul Rahman is there. So we have started this activity from 2nd of August and I am going to track for the entire month. Okay, so what you have to do, you already know, you have to consume any English content, you have to read book, you have to listen anything, and just you have to record your voice and send in the group. Okay, then you are going to see the results in your speaking. Otherwise, you are not going to see any result. Okay, so Abdul Rahman was not there from 2nd of August, so he didn't send any recording. But now let's see from 4th of August. आज 4 अगस्त थे, आज आप प्रेजेंट हो यहाँ पे, आज से हम देखते हैं, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे सबकी रिकॉर्डिंग की एक्टिविटी ट्रैक होगी, जिसकी जिस रीजन पर मैं प्रिडिक्ट करूंगा, आई विल प्रिडिक्ट लाइक हु इज गोइंग टू लर्न और हु इज नॉट गोइंग टू लर्न. Okay, and how many days or how many months it will take you to speak or get the fluency. Got it or not? It is clear for everyone.
I have got it, brother.
Got it. So
Yes,
when
sir,
you
clear.
like from when you are going to just send, and you can also get this symbol. Yes, Mr. Abduran, I'm talking with you right now.
Okay, brother. I am got it. I have got it. Inshallah, I will send you my voice recording every day.
Okay, every day. Yes, we
I
have
will
to
I
send
will try
every day.
to stick on the topic.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. So yes, this was the one part. Let's move on our topic today. So today is the test for Madiha Chaudhary and Iram Khan, and one student was there more, but he is not present today. He is in the hospital right now, Noor Muhammad. Okay. So now I'm going to share one link which you can start. Let me show you, then I will share the link. Okay. This is a feedback form. Then Madiha Chaudhary and Iram, I will send the link. They will start giving the test, and Mr. Abdurrahman and Hamdan, we will continue our class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is clear?
Okay,
One.
brother. I will not give exam.
You don't have to give, because this is for chapter 1 or 2.
1 or 2. Okay.
Yes. So you don't have to give, because this test you have already given.
Yes, brother.
So I'm sending the link in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Iram Khan and Madiha Chaudhary will start giving the test. And you both have to stay there. Okay. One minute. Okay, so I have sent the link in the group. Okay, now let me just demonstrate or tell how you have to start the test. If you are going to just open the link which I have sent in the group, because Iram Khan was she was talking about it, like how to give the test, what is this, how to do it. So let me tell you, briefly introduce you. Okay, so this is a test, assessment test, chapter 1, basics of English, and chapter 2, how to give introduction in English. So this is a thing like assessment test. This assessment is designed to evaluate your grammar knowledge, speaking style, fluency, and communication skill, all these things to just check. Then mark distribution, like total marks are 50 marks, total 50 marks हैं, जिसमें से grammar 30 questions 30 marks, and speaking which is mandatory for 20 marks. Okay, so total 50 marks. So you can start, just put there your email ID, then your full name, then this test will start. Like chapter 1 basics of English, 20 MCQs are there. Like you have to start how many letters are there in English alphabet. So you have to select which is the best answer. Then if you are going to select it, just you have to select it and proceed next. Then second, which of the following is a vowel? You have to select the answer, then move on next. How many vowels are there in English? Move next. Like this, which group contains only vowels? You have to choose. And which of the following is a consonant? And how many consonants are there in English? So you have to choose which is the best answer or which is the correct answer. Then you have to complete all these 30 questions. Okay, let's see. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 questions. Then the second part starts from there after 20. Okay, there are 20, after 20, there are chapter, wait. Okay, after 20, chapter 2 introduction in English. 10 MCQs are there also. Like, which is the best, most professional way to start a self-introduction? Okay, so you have to choose. Then, which sentence is grammatically correct? You have to choose, because you have prepared. Everything is there in the notebook which I have shared. So 30 questions, if you will complete the 30, this is the 30 questions. If you will complete it, then you will see like speaking assessment mandatory. Are you getting or not? You both are getting? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is very easy. Okay, and speaking assessment mandatory. Choose any one topic and speak for a minimum for 3 minutes. Like this, there are instructions you can read. Like speaking test instructions, like speak only in English. Minimum duration 3 minutes, maximum no limit. Speak confidently, naturally, and clearly. Maintain eye contact with the camera throughout the recording. Record your video in a quiet place with good lighting. And do not read directly from a script. चोरी नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Speak in your own words. Keep your mobile phone in front of you while recording. And after recording your video, send it on WhatsApp number. Like this is my WhatsApp number. Please mention your full name while sending the video. And this is the everything. Then you have to choose like speaking test mandatory. Choose any one topic and speak for a minimum of 3 minutes, maximum no limit. So you can choose like what you want to, on which topic you have to speak, like introduce yourself, or what is the main purpose behind your English learning. So you have to just click on anyone, then submit this form. Okay, after submitting this form, you will see like see your score. So you have to click on that and just take one screenshot of your score. Then after completing this, then you can just record your video. This which topic you are going to choose. After submitting, you can record and just send on my WhatsApp. And tomorrow I will just announce the result of the test. Okay, got it? Any question, you both? If you have any question, please ask.
I got it, sir. No question.
Yes, Madiha.
गॉट इट बट रिकॉर्डिंग जो वीडियो है वो आज ही भेजना है कल भेजना है?
No, today onwards, like 12 बजे से पहले
ओके
कभी भी.
ओके
Yes.
ओके
यस, मैं मतलब लास्ट टेस्ट में मैंने कुछ चांस भी दिया था, ठीक है? सो यू कैन रिकॉर्ड, यू कैन सेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग टिल 12 आफ्टरनून. मतलब आज टेस्ट था, बट कल आप 12 बजे से पहले भेज सकते हो वीडियो. लेकिन उसका कुछ लोगों ने मिस यूज किया, मतलब उन्होंने टेस्ट के बाद वीडियो ही नहीं भेजा, वो फेल हो गए टेस्ट में, और वो उनको चलेगा, वो अभी तक वीडियो ही नहीं आया मुझे, मेरे पास अभी तक. So the people are misusing it. So because of this, this is a strict rule. Like today, you have to send the recording. Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So tomorrow, I will announce the just result of this test. Okay. So yes, everything is clear, I think. And
Okay.
one more thing, just I have to say you both, like this is a test to evaluate, to check your grammar and how you are speaking. So don't be smart, more smart to just copy it from Chat GPT or from anywhere. Because in this sheet, in this Google sheet, I have inbuilt one AI tools. If you are going to just minimize this sheet after opening, एक बार अगर तुमने इस शीट को ओपन किया और तुम इसको बार बार क्लोज कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे मुझे एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है. Okay, I will get some notifications like these two are minimizing or maximizing again and again. So ये close हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ये टेस्ट अगर आपने 3-4 बार किया तो ये पेज ही क्लोज हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा. इसको आप सब आगे मतलब प्रोसीड ही नहीं कर पाओगे. Got it?
Yes, got it. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now Iram and Madiha, if you don't have any question, you both can leave the class. Okay, leave the class and no need to join. You we will meet tomorrow, inshallah. And Mr. Hamdan and Abdur Rahman, we are going to just proceed next. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take your
Thank
time.
you
Okay, take
for
your
the
time. There are lots of time.
instruction.
So like now it's 10. So from 10 to 10:30 or 10:40, 45 तक तुम ग्रामर आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. उसके बाद टाइम लेकर के 5 मिनट तो चाहिए हमें. जस्ट आपको घर में कोई भी एक स्पेस ढूंढना है, लाइट होगी, वहां पे आप मोबाइल रख करके अपना फटाक से रिकॉर्डिंग कर लोगे, उसको भी सेंड कर दोगे. गॉट इट? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, so you both can leave, and if you are facing any difficulty during the test, so you can just put the message on the group.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, walaikum salam. Okay, so now we are here, and Mr. Abdurrahman and Hamdan. So today we are not going to read the grammar. I have completed the chapter. Okay, wait, 1 minute. We have completed one chapter. Let's see. Chapter 11. Chapter 10. So yes, we have completed hello.
Yes.
Okay. So we have completed our chapter 10, which was about making question sentences. So Mr. Hamdan, you have attended all the classes of this chapter? Yes.
Yes.
Have you attended all the classes of this chapter?
No.
No. How many classes you have attended from this chapter?
I think 1 day only.
Huh?
1 day only.
1 day. Okay. And Mr. Abdurrahman, how many classes you have attended from chapter 10, making question sentences?
Brother, 1 day.
1 day.
WHO. Okay. Yes.
Yes, but we have completed this chapter. So have you read it by yourself or not?
Read it, brother.
Okay. So we have completed, and we are not going to read it again. Just I was thinking if Mr. Hamdan has just attended more lectures from this chapter, so he can just give one summary. So Mr. Hamdan, can you give the summary like what we learn in this chapter in 1 or 2 minutes only? Can you give? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, so
This
let's see.
chapter.
Mr. Hamdan is going to give the summary of this chapter, what we learn in this chapter, making question sentences. Okay,
मेरे को बता दे
thank you.
तेरे को.
Yes, start. You can start.
Yes. Yes. This chapter will be explained by WH word. Yes or no questions. And how many WH question used in negative form, making a sentence like what is your name, this type sentence. And yes no questions asking in this chapter. And इतना ही पढ़ा हूँ मैं, इतना ही याद है.
Okay, but it was good. Thank you. Yes. We learn in this chapter about the question, making question, how you are going to make the question. Okay. Yes, no, or WH questions. And now we will start our next chapter, which is about the 11th chapter is about. Next chapter, we will start like, yes, chapter 11, which is about the model verbs. Okay. So, yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, do you know about the model verbs? What is this and how we are using in sentences? Do you know anything about model verbs? So, you can talk. Yes, no.
Yes, brother.
Okay. So,
You
can
should
you please.
start chapter number 11, model verb.
Mhm. Can you briefly tell what is model? What is model verbs?
There are lots of model verbs. Say can, could, shall, should, will, would,
Hmm.
like that,
Okay.
brother. Do,
So,
does,
yes.
is, are, am.
Yes.
These are model verb, brother.
Okay. So, like I'm going to speak two sentences. You have to just tell the meaning and what is the difference between these two sentences. Okay.
Okay, brother.
I can come and I could come. So please, what is the like meaning and what is the difference between these two sentences?
There are difference to sentence like that. I can come.
Hmm.
It is a your यानी तुम्हारी क्षमता के हिसाब से तुम बोल सकते हो.
Hmm.
और आई कुड जैसे ये आपकी क्षमता के बाहर ही रहे. जैसे आप नहीं कर सके, कोई मजबूरी थी जिसकी वजह से नहीं आ पाए, जिस पर आपका.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So yes, you got it. But there is a one main difference which is like if I'm using like can, so it is for present. Like I can come. It is for present and it is showing the ability. Like I can come. मैं आ सकता हूँ. It is showing the ability like I am able to come. I can come. And if you are going to use the model verb, which is I could come, so it means it is about the past also. मैं आ सकता था. I could come. Okay? Got it or not?
Got it, brother. कैन का पास्ट कुड आता है और शेल का
Yes.
पास्ट शुड आता है, विल
Yes,
का
yes, can
पास्ट
का could आता.
कुड
So
आता है.
I could come. It means I could come. मैं आ सकता था. And I can come. मैं आ सकता हूँ. Okay, but you got the point. Okay, so this is chapter 11, which is about the model verbs. We will learn the 3 model verbs in this chapter only, and the entire model verbs we will learn in another chapter. Can, should and would, because these are 3 model verbs which is very popular and we are using in daily life every day. So these are three models which is very popular. So now there are only you both. So we are not going to start this chapter. Let's start this chapter tomorrow. What do you think? It is good or not?
Yes, this is good because I am only 2%.
Yes, because so now today we are going to why I am getting the voice back. I don't know why it is happening. So today one activity we can do. So role play activity. Role play activity we are going to do. Because I have shared some PDF. Where is the PDF? Where is it? PDF किधर चला गया भाई? हमने तो शेयर किया था कल. Yes, this is the PDF I was searching. So, like a day at the railway station. Yes, Mr. Hamdan, which we have to start? A day at the railway station or at the petrol pump or in the office with colleague. कौन सा पढ़ा जाए?
Railway station.
Okay. Yes, Abdur Rahman is also agree on it. So we are going to read this role play. After that, we will read the news. Okay. So let's start.
Okay, brother. Okay.
Yes. So this is a new activity for Abdur Rahman, I think.
Yes, brother.
Okay. But we have already did it. Okay. So we will just start it. 1 minute. So yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, let me briefly explain you like what is this activity. So this activity is related to like role play. There are two characters and we have to just speak it. So conversation, this is a real conversation. A day at the railway station. On the railway station, there are two people, they are talking. So one is Karan and second is Priya. So the Karan role, suppose Mr. Abdurrahman is going to take the Karan statement or what he is going to say. And Priya, Mr. Hamdan is going to speak. So you both have to start the conversation. Like Karan statement, Mr. Abdurrahman will speak and Priya statement, Mr. Hamdan will speak. Okay. So you both have to just continue this conversation. And one more thing, you don't have to read only. You don't have to read. You have to feel the situation. Suppose you have to feel like you both are on the railway station right now. And you both are talking with feelings or with emotions. It is not about reading only. Got my point or not? Got it?
Yes, brother.
Yes.
So now you both reached at the railway station or not?
Yes.
Yes. You both are on railway station. So let's start reading this. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start from the current statement. And suppose you, Mr. Karan is Mr. Abdurrahman and Priya is Mr. Hamdan.
Okay.
Yes, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Priya, hurry up. Our train leaves in 20 minutes and you are still outside the station.
Okay, let's include. Okay, wait. Include more emotions. More feeling.
Emotion.
Yes.
ऐसे Priya, hurry up. Our train leaves in 20 minutes and we're still outside the station.
Yes. Speak like this. Speak. Again speak, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Priya, hurry up. Our train leaves in 20 minutes and you are still outside the station.
Okay. Yes.
Relax, Karan. Indian trains are never on time. We have at least 10 minutes extra, trust me.
Yes, that is true. But let's not test our lucky today. Where's the entrance?
Entrance.
Entrance.
Yes.
Right there, next to the parking area. Let's go through security first.
Oh, look at this queue. Excuse me, is this the line for security check?
Okay. So queue means line होता
Yes,
है,
sir.
ठीक है? Yes.
Yes, sir. Please keep your bags ready for scanning.
Take out your phone and keys from your pocket quickly.
Done. CV, CVR already through. That wasn't so bad.
Where do you check the platform number? There is a big display board over three showing all the departures.
Let's see. Train number 12345. Howrah Express.
Howrah
Platform
Express.
number 6. Howrah Express. Platform number 6.
Platform number 6. That sounds far. Should we ask someone?
Excuse me, uncle. Which way to platform 6, please?
Go straight. Then take the foot over bridge. Beta, it is on the other side.
Thank you. Wait, there's a chai stall. I need tea before we run anywhere.
You don't have time for chai. There is always time for chai. Priya, it is basically a national duty.
Fine, one quick cup, but we drink it while walking.
भैया, do you chai दीजिए?
दो चाय दीजिए.
दो चाय
दो चाय
दीजिए,
दीजिए,
हाँ,
दो
दो चाय दीजिए.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Chai seller. Yes, sir. Here you go, hot and fresh. That will be 20 rupees.
Perfect. Nothing beats station chai honesty.
Priya, agreed. It's oddly delicious every single time. Now, come on, let's find the bridge.
There it is. So many stairs. Though my legs are already
Think
tired.
of it as free exercise. Come on, we are almost there.
Finally, platform 6. Now, where exactly does our coach stop?
Let's check the coach position chart on this pillar. We are in coach S4.
Yes, for usually stops near the middle. I think let us walk this away.
Announcement. Attention. Please train number 12345 Howrah Express is arriving on platform number 6.
Yeah, that is our train. Get ready, Karan.
Karan,
I
आप
can hear it coming. Look, there it is.
Priya. There's S4. Let's move quickly before the crowd gets in our way.
Excuse me, please let us pass. Our coach is right here.
We made it. Let's find our seats number 24 and 25.
Here they are by the window. I love a window seat.
Me too. Though you always fall asleep and miss the view anyway.
That's not true. Okay, it is mostly true.
Nathan. But when they reached their seat, someone was already sitting in the seat.
Excuse me, I think you are in my seat. This is seat number 24.
Stranger. Oh, really? Let me check my ticket. Oh no, I think boarded the wrong coach.
Priya, that happens more often than you would not think. Which coach are you looking for?
Stranger. At 6, apart,
Apparently.
apparently, I am so sorry for the confusion.
No problem. All yes, 6 is two coaches ahead near the pantry car.
Pantry car.
Pantry car.
Stranger. Thank you so much. And sorry again. Have a good journey. Priya. You too well. That was a funny start to the trip.
Karan. Only one Indian Railways does a stranger apologize and vanished within 30 seconds. Co-passenger, excuse me, is this seat 26 taken? I think it is mine.
Priya. No, it's free. Please sit, uncle. Co-passenger.
Co-passenger,
Thank you, beta. Where are you both traveling to? Priya.
Karan, we are going to Kolkata for a college reunion.
Co-passenger. Wonderful. I am going there too to visit my daughter. That's nice. It's always good to have company and a long journey.
Announcement: the train will depart from platform 6 shortly. Passengers are requested to take their seats.
Padho, Karan.
Karan, finally moving. I was worried we would miss it after that chai detour.
See, I told you. We had enough time. Chai and train both on schedule. Later, a few minutes after departure, the ticket examiner walked through the coach, checking tickets one by one.
Ticket, please. Good afternoon. May I see your ticket?
Okay.
Of course, here you go. 2 tickets, seats number 24 and 25.
Thank you. Everything looks fine. Enjoy your journey. Karan, that was cute and painless, unlike the security queues earlier.
Priya, hey, don't remind me. Is your phone charging okay? I don't see a charging point near us.
Karan, there is one just below the window near your leg. Can you check?
It is enough for today. Like, let's see how much left. This is so long conversation. Oh, so 2 more pages are there. Then, okay, so there are some vocabulary. Okay, this was an amazing conversation. So yes, what do you think about this, Mr. Abdurrahman? This was good to just see the real life situation,
Yeah.
how we are going to talk in real life.
Yes, brothers. This is a very good, and you should practice like that conversation
Yes, so I just
in our daily
started.
life.
Yes, so is it is an amazing
Yes.
exercise which I started doing it, and we have multiple conversations related to the situation. Okay, so this is an amazing. So and also there are 50 vocabulary which you are going to learn. So railway station, you already know. Security check, queue. Queue means line, a line of people waiting for their turn. Do you know about line, queue, and scanning, and display board, departure. Departure means क्या है?
The act of leaving, especially of a train or
Yes,
vehicle.
yes. Departure means जाने वाली जो ट्रेन होती है, जो गाड़ियां होती है, उसको बोलते हैं डिपार्चर. ठीक है. And प्लेटफॉर्म यू ऑलरेडी नो. फुट ओवर ब्रिज. फुट ओवर ब्रिज जो स्टेशन पे बना रहता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Chai stall, vendor, coach, coach position. So if you are thinking like this word is hard for me or difficult for me, so you can remember. Okay, there are 50 words related to that conversation. Pillow, crowd, announcement, arriving, window seat, view, confusion, boarded. Yes, Mr. Hamdan. How many words you got? Difficult for you. Ticket
Yes.
examiner, charging point, Aizal. Aizal means?
Aizal. Aizal.
Aizal means the
The
narrow
narrow
walk.
walking space between rows of seats.
Yes. So जो कोच होता है ना, कोच में एक तरफ तो आपकी 3 सीट्स होती है, एक तरफ एक सीट. सो उसके बीच में जो रास्ता होता है ना, उसको आइजल बोलते हैं. ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes. Snack window, samosa, and sharing, co-passenger, reunion. So you can learn all these words. If do you think like it is difficult for me? Company, journey, depart, schedule, detour, pantry. Pantry means like a section on a train that serves food. ठीक है. किसको बोलते हैं pantry?
जो food
Section
serve
of
है.
a section on a train that serve foods.
Yes.
यानी किचन.
पैंट्री में कभी गए हो? किचन में ट्रेन में जो होता है उसमें गए हो कभी? नहीं. ओके. सो मेन्यू कार्ड, बिरयानी, हॉल्ट. हॉल्ट मीन्स हॉल्ट.
A brief stop made by a train.
यस, हॉल्ट. एंड रिफ्रेश्ड, स्ट्रेच, फेल्स, फ्रेश एयर, नैप. नैप मीन्स क्या होता है?
A short sleep, usually during the day.
No.
Yes. Reservation, quarter, and whistle, trap, delay, on time, ticket counter, and farewell. So these are the words, and this is a conversation. So Mr. Abduran, what do you think? Like we have to do this activity every single day?
The,
Yes.
I should these activities in day.
In a 2 days in a week?
What do you,
No, just I was asking like if this activity is good, so we can do every day in the class.
yes, we should do every day in class. Some little bit.
Okay, we will try to just do. So let's read the news because we don't have lots of time, but we have to read the news. Okay, so this is the news which we are going to read. So Mr. Amdan, like Mr. Abdur Rahman, so someday you can also send the news from Nepal. if do you think like this is an interesting news from Nepal, so you can just send the link of that article, so we will read it. Okay.
Okay, okay, brother.
Yes.
Okay, I will send you, brother. There are
Yes. No, like every day
fighting.
I send one link of the news article. So if any day you think
Mm.
like from Nepal, this is a trending news, this is a good news. So just send the link in the group. So we will read that news in the class. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So let's read. We don't have time, too much time. We will just read only 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because reading is very important. Because if you are going to read, you will know some vocabulary and you are going to improve your pronunciation also. So, Pune cops crack down on modified silencer bikes. Late night rides 16 booked. Police registered a criminal case against the riders on charges including negligent and rush driving, public nuances, and disobeying lawful directions and act likely to endanger human life. तो यहाँ पे पुलिस ने कुछ लोगों को पकड़ा है जिन्होंने साइलेंसर लगाया और मॉडिफाइड किया उसको और वो चला रहे थे ठीक है लाइक पीपल्स पुलिस सेड द सर्च फॉर द अदर राइडर्स एंड व्हीकल्स इन्वॉल्व्ड in similar activities was underway. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, you can start reading from there. It is visible, or
Yes.
should I zoom more?
No, no, so.
Okay, so you can just start reading in a crackdown.
Okay. In a crackdown on vehicles last night, bikers with modified silencers that creates noise Pune city. Police booked 13 riders, seized their bikes and have also booked their auto garage. Up, operators for making the illegal modifications on the vehicles. Policy applied to citizens to report
Police
mis-
appealed.
appeal to citizens to report miscreant gangs riding bikes with altered noise polluting exhaust. The action was conducted by Kali Khalifa Dal Police. क्या नाम है पुलिस का? Khalifa Dal. Second paragraph. The action was conducted by
Okay,
Khalifa.
let Mr. Abdurrahman, you can read from there. The action was conducted by Kale
The
Padal Police
action was
Station.
conducted by Kale Padal Police Station
Yes.
after multiple phone cells and social media complaints were received between
Multiple phone
11
calls.
p.m. Multiple phone calls and social media complaints were received between 11 p.m. on July 31 and 5 a.m. on August I from on
First,
from
August 1st,
on from August 1st from
Kadnagar.
Kadanagar
Kadnagar.
Kadnagar Kadnagar
Ondri.
Undri and Muhammad Wadi
Mohammed
Muhammad
Wadi.
Wadi Muhammad Wadi in addition to other areas. Police said the complaints were about group of riders speeding through roads in these
Localities.
localities late at night, revving in
Engines.
engines engines creating noise and riding in a manner the endangered others on the road.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Abdurrahman. It was good. So I hope you are reading every day. Okay, so you are improving your pronunciation. So if you are going to read the paragraph every day, you will improve. Okay. Action on these complaints. A team from Kalepadal police station conducted a surveillance with the help of technical inputs and confidential informants. Because if you are going to read one word, so in the next paragraph, this word will come. So you already know. Okay, this is the word which I have learned before it. So yes, good. So let's understand this news. Okay, इस न्यूज को थोड़ा सा समझते हैं, पूरा नहीं, थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं. Let's see the article. Wait. Pune cops. What is the meaning of cops? Cops का मीनिंग पता है क्या होता है?
वो जो पुलिस वाले रहते हैं.
यस, कॉप का मीनिंग पुलिस वाला ही होता है. पुलिस को कॉप्स भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. यस मिस्टर अब्दुर्रहमान, डू यू नो? लेट्स सी.
Yes, brother. Cops
Yes.
means police.
Yes, let's see. If you are going to see there, you are not going to forget. So cops, this is police. ठीक है. Cops, the word cop or cops has three main meaning or informal term police officers in the United States. Okay, cop meanings वही police. ठीक है. Crackdown. Crackdown means होता है पकड़ना. ठीक है. Crackdown means पकड़ना. On modified silencer bikes. Modified का meaning क्या होता है? This is very like easy word. What is the meaning of modified? Yes, speak. Don't be quiet. हाँ?
जो अपग्रेड
Modified means prepare.
Upgrade. Yes.
Repairing.
बनवाते हैं कंपनी
Repairing.
प्रिपेयरिंग नहीं, तुम चेंज करना
Repairing.
बोल सकते हो. चेंज करना बोल सकते हो. ठीक है.
Repairing.
मॉडिफाइड मतलब जैसे जो गाड़ी के जो पार्ट्स हैं उसको निकलवा करके दूसरा लगवाना. ठीक है. दूसरे पार्ट्स लगवाना, उसको बोलते हैं मॉडिफाइड करना. ठीक है.
Modified.
हाँ. हेलो, सी मॉडिफाई. टू चेंज समथिंग स्लाइटली, किसी चीज को थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देना, उसको बोलते हैं मॉडिफाइड.
Modify.
ठीक है. सो बहुत सारे लोग मॉडिफाइड करते हैं बाइक्स को, अपने कार को. साइलेंसर बाइक्स को मॉडिफाइड किया था उन्होंने. जो एक्चुअल बाइक का जो साइलेंसर था उसको ना लगा करके दूसरा लगाया था. जैसे बुलेट को उठा के लगा दिया दूसरी गाड़ी में, जिससे बहुत ज्यादा आवाज होगी, ऐसा किया था. लेट नाइट राइड्स, और लेट नाइट वो लोग बाइक को चलाते थे. 16 बुक, 16 लोगों पे मतलब ऐसा बुक हुआ है. ठीक है. पुलिस रजिस्टर्ड ए क्रिमिनल केस अगेंस्ट द राइडर्स. राइडर्स मीनिंग पता है क्या होता है? राइडर्स, RIDER. राइडर क्या होता
जो
है?
बाइक की गैंग होती है, जो बाइक की गैंग होती है, जो बाइक चलाती है.
Guide चलाने वाला.
बाइक चलाने वाला. यस, गुड. सो बाइक चलाने वाले को राइडर बोलते हैं. ठीक है. राइड मतलब चलाना, राइडर मतलब चलाने वाला.
चलाने वाला.
Yes. So charges including, the police registered a criminal case against the riders on charges including negligent. Negligent मतलब क्या होता है? And rash driving. Negligent मतलब जानते हो? No. Yes or no?
नहीं.
Please speak.
No.
Okay. So negligent means होता है जिसमें तुम मतलब ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. ठीक है. चलाते टाइम तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो किसी चीज
Negligent.
का, उसको बोलते हैं नेग्लिजेंट. लेट्स सी द मीनिंग. नेग्लिजेंट टू बी, नेग्लिजेंट मीन्स फेलिंग टू यूज प्रॉपर केयर, बीइंग ओवरले केयरलेस, मतलब केयरलेस होना, इग्नोर करना. ठीक है. उसको बोलते हैं नेग्लिजेंट. ठीक है. एंड पब्लिक नुआंस एंड डिसओबेइंग लॉफुल डायरेक्शंस, मतलब रूल को फॉलो ना करना, डिसओबे करना. एंड एक्ट्स लाइकली टू एंडेंजर ह्यूमन लाइफ, और ह्यूमन लाइफ को इंडेंजर बनाना, मतलब जैसे रात में चलाना, बहुत तेज सीटी मारना, ऐसे ये सारी चीजें ये लोग कर रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से पुलिस ने उनको पकड़ा है। ठीक है, ये सारे लोग हैं, देखो। So now this is enough for today for the news. Let's move on speaking part, okay? Because we don't have lots of time, so we can't read all the news, entire news. Okay, so now we are going to move on speaking part. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, what is our today's topic? क्या है टॉपिक आज?
The importance of decision making skills.
Okay, yes. So our today's topic is the importance of decision making skills. So I know you have the knowledge about this topic, and I have also sent the content which you have read, I think. So now you have to just start speaking on this topic. Let me just explain 1 or 2 minutes, then you can start, okay? So first you have to start the importance of decision making skills. So decision making skills is a very important in everyone's life. If decision making, what do you understand by the decision making skills? Decision making skills is simply like if you are someone who got the two things which you have to decide, like which is the best for you, and everyone is facing, everyone can get the two decisions, like students also can get, and businessmen also can get it, and doctors, engineers, and contractor, everyone is going to face like two choices which you have to decide which is best for you and which is not best for you. So if suppose, let's take one example, a student, he is in the 10th class, and he has to just decide, make the decision, like what you want to become or which subject you have to choose. So like decision making skills is going to work. If you want to become anything, like you have decided, you are going to work on it, so you are going to achieve your goals. If there is any doctor, he got one patient, so he has to also decide, like decision making skills is very powerful. The doctor has to decide, like I can cure this disease, can be cured by the medicine, or I have to do the operation. I have to decide in a week. This is called the decision making, because you have to decide which is best or which is not best. So if the decision making skills is not good for the doctor, so that patient can die, because he has to decide, like this disease is can't be cured by the medicine, I have to just do the operation next week. So he has to decide. So decision making, like there are two choices which you have to choose which is best for you. This is called the decision making skills, and everyone can face this thing. Like there is one driver, and you are suppose you are there, and you have to go from Delhi to Mumbai. So there are many ways to come from Delhi to Mumbai. There are aeroplane, there are trains, by road. You have to decide, like which is best for me. You have to count the kilometers, time, efforts, which is best. So this is called the decision making. Or anything you can talk related to that topic. You can include the story and facts, anything. So let's start about the importance of decision making skills. Yes, let's start. Who is going to start, Mr. Hamdan or Abdul Rahman?
Yes.
Yes, Hamdan, yes, you can start. And please open the camera if you are going to speak. So I will just urge and request you all, please open the camera while speaking. Yes.
अभी दवा लगाया तो उस वजह से आज नहीं, कल
Okay, okay, so you can speak like this.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today
Walaikum
I am
salam.
going to speak about the importance of decisions making skills. Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My uh, decisions making means choosing the best option from a different choice in our life, and every day we make many decisions in our daily life. Some decisions small and some decisions high, like you can eat what food and water, like what do you want to wear a dress. Some decisions are very important in our life, like choosing a good friends, studying regularly, or future career. And good decisions making is an important life skill, and it helps us to solve our problems and to make avoid your mistakes and reach our goals easily. And people who make decisions are confident and responsible, they success in our life. And students are also need good decisions making skills. For example, uh, they must decide uh, to spend time studying and social media, and to study regularly and make a better marks and achieve a successful persons in our life.
Hmm.
And good decisions can bring your face happiness, success, and peace in our lives.
Yes.
And bad decisions can create problems and regret, and you can in our life very regret,
Yes.
and that is should to always think carefully and choose a right path. And decisions making skills also help become a better leaders in our life.
Okay.
And a good leader listen to other people and think wisely and make a fair decisions. And these skills are useful at school, at home, in the workplace and colleges. And thank you everyone.
Okay, so thank you very much for sharing a valuable information about the decision making skills, and it was so good. Okay, and but one thing I would like to tell Mr. Hamdan, you are able to speak and you improved a lot, but individually, like if you got the topic and you are going to speak on this, but in the debate session also you have to speak. Okay, now next time I don't want to listen in the debate, like I don't know anything about it. You have to prepare the pointers of the debate also. Okay, so in individual speaking, it is very good. Congratulations for Mr. Hamdan. Okay, thank you.
प्रिपेयर नहीं करा था ना उस दिन.
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start speaking with the camera open. You can open the camera, so it will be good for you. Okay, while speaking. Yes. No, we are not getting your voice, Mr. Abdurrahman. Please unmute yourself first.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good
Walaikum salam.
evening, Shafiq sir.
Yes.
Today, my topic name is the importance of decision making skills.
Yes.
You should take decision better. You should take decision better in our life.
Yes.
If I have a take decision better, that's it will be better in our life.
Hmm.
It will be better in our life.
Yes.
Like that, if I have to, I take decision uh, to listening speech, English speech and Urdu speech with the then songs.
Yes.
It is a better decision. No, I should not take bad decisions like this. I have to habit to listening songs and bad news and bad talk to each others and you should make a good friend. That's so that they give me good decisions, good advice for our life. Because of this, will making growing. You will make growing in our future life,
Yes.
growing skills like that. And if I if I am going to city, that's I look then I look how 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 will I reach fastly like that bus, yeah, train, yeah, car.
Hmm. Okay. Yes.
Then eh, if the bus will uh, reach me fast, then I will choose and I have to choose bus so that I could reach the city fastly.
Okay. Yes.
And you have to I have to point be noted like that. I have to decision when I will sleep. That's because of this. I have to get up early in the morning
Hmm.
like that.
Yes.
If I have if I don't take a decision uh, to for sleeping, that's
Hmm.
why that's why we will get I will get up late in the morning.
Okay.
There are lots of harmful in our bodies and in our works like that. So you have to be punctual to take decision
Hmm.
in every field, in every skills like that.
Okay.
And I should take decision. That's when will I read in the night and in the day,
Hmm.
and you have to. I have to take decision, take decision, and I have to take decision where when will I go to go to walk in the field, like that.
Okay, done, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Yes, brother.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing the valuable knowledge. And you also spoke very well. And I think it was more than 5 minutes. Okay, so let's clap for Mr.
Okay.
Abdurrahman. Okay, so if you want to improve more, like you are improving, you are practicing, and you are doing good, just there are two things which I want to highlight. Like, first is the pronunciation. You already know, you are aware about it. Like, you are listening, like every student read the news. So you are listening, like Iram Rizvi, how she is reading, and Iram Khan, how she is reading. So there are some pronunciation mistakes in your speaking. This is the first part where you have to work. Okay. And you have to read every day. And the second thing, if you want to improve more, so please participate in the recording activity. Okay. Like which recording activity I have started every day. You have to read something, you have to listen something, you have to just analyze anything in English and record yourself. Record your voice recording and send in the group. And if you're not getting the idea, listen to others. Like listen to Mr. Hamdan, listen to Iram Rizvi, listen to Iram Khan, listen to Madhiya Chaudhary, or listen my recording also. So you will get the idea like how to record. Okay. So yes, this was the good. You both spoke very well. Just I need 2 minutes. We are going to learn one idiom. Then we will close our session. Okay. Just wait 1 minute. So how many idioms? We started learning the idioms. So Mr. Hamdan, do you know? You are aware about it or not? Yes, Mr.
Hello?
Hamdan,
Yes.
you are aware about it. So my screen is visible or not?
Yes, brother. Visible.
My screen is visible. Yes, I was talking something
No.
to Mr. Hamdan, but he's not replying. I don't know why. He's angry?
Hello. Screen is not visible. Hello.
Yes.
Screen is not visible.
Okay, wait 1 minute, then it will be visible. Okay. Now it is visible.
Idioms first
No.
break the ice.
So, Mr. Abdurrahman, I just started learning every day one idiom. Okay. Like first idiom was, which we learn,
Yes.
break the ice. And second idiom,
Break the ice.
piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Third idiom, once in a blue moon. Okay. So we have given one title to you, Mr. Once in a Blue Moon. Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Yes, yes.
This is the title which you got. Once in a Blue Moon. And the fourth, which is hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. This was the fourth, which we learned. And the fifth idiom, which is under the weather. Under the weather means feeling sick. So write this idiom. Better late than never. No. 6 idiom is completed. 7 is also completed. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil. Actions speak louder than words. This is the 8 idiom which you have to write. Okay. Actions speak louder than words. It means like what you do is more important than what you say. जो तुम करते हो, हाँ, what you do is more important. जो तुम कर रहे हो वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है जो तुम कहते हो उससे. ठीक है. And so this is the idiom which you have to write. Like actions speak louder than words. and you have to make 3 or 4 sentences of this idiom. Okay, so you will get this PDF in the group. Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman,
Yes.
and this is enough for today. So we are going to just end our today's class. So assalamu alaikum, good night, thanks for today.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam.